This is why you should never give up. Here I miss an easy, open net. I overcommit, and then they score the first of many goals in this match. Here I miss the ball on the corner, and my teammate isn't able to react, so we concede again. Here I get a bad 50 and pinch it to my net, and the opponents capitalize on my mistake. Here comes the comeback. Here I get a lucky kickoff, and I score the open net. I get a good touch onto the wall, and my teammate Donnie finishes with a nice preflip. Here I get a pretty lucky goal where everyone misses the ball. Here my opponent turns just slightly, so I have just enough time to finish on 0 boost. Here I make a pretty nice save, and the opponent luckily misses the open net after my teammate bumps me. The opponents missed another easy opportunity. I make another clutch save to keep us in the lead, and we capitalize on the double commit. I get a lucky post pinch past the defender. They do get another back, but it was too late.